Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's question is combinatorics question we will do. Because so many are asking to solve the combinatorics question. So today we will solve the combinatorics question. See, what is the question is, how many 5-digit numbers are of the form Sunny, SUNNY Sunny, are divisible by 16, where each distinct letter represents distinct digit and S cannot be 0. That means the leading digit cannot be equal to 0, and also SUNY, 4 digits are there. These 4 letters represent the 4 distinct digits. That is the question here. So first of all, what I am doing is, we want these 5-digit numbers which are divisible by 16. That is the question. What is the expanded form, decimal expanded form of Sunny? So Sunny can be written as, this is in the units digit, tens digit, hundreds digit, thousand digit and 10,000 digit. So that means S into 10 power 4 plus U into 10 cube plus N into 10 square plus another N into 10 power 1 plus 1. This is the decimal representation of Sun. We want the numbers which are divisible by 16. Divisible by 16 means when this number is divisible by 16, the remainder is 0. Then only it is said to be exactly divisible by 16. So that's why I am applying the mod 16 format. So that I want S into 10 power 4 plus U into 10 cube plus N into 10 square plus N into 10 power 1 plus Y is congruent to 0. What's it? So exactly divisible by 16 with the remainder is 0. That's why I written as remainder is 0 when divided by 16. Here 10 power 4. 10 power 4 means 10,000. 10,000 when divided by 16. How many times it will go here? 4 table 4 times and 4 table 4 times and 2500 times it will go. Then it is exactly divisible. Last two digits are 0, 0 means it is exactly divisible by 4. So here this term will be eliminated. Remainder is 0 here. Then 10 cube, 1000. 1000 when divided by 16. How many times it will go? Means 4 table 4 times and here 250 times. Okay, 250 times. 25 was 250 times. Then again 2 table here 2 times and 125 times only. So it cannot exactly divides here. So what is the remainder here means 125. 120. That means 1000 when divided by 16. How many times it will go? 1000 when divided by 16. What is the remainder? It cannot exactly divides. So that's why 10 cube 1000 when divided by 16. The remainder is how much? 16, 6 are 96, then 40, 2, 16 are 32, so 8 will be the remainder here. So that means here 8U will be left, plus N terms, 100 and 10, 110. 110 when divided by 16, what is the remainder here means? 16 7 are 112. But here 110 is there, so remainder is minus 2. So I will write minus 2n plus y is congruent to 0 mod 16. So at finally this is congruent to 0 mod 16. This can be written as a 16 multiple. So 8u minus 2n plus y is equal to 16 into something x. I can write here. So here 8 is a 2 multiple and 2 is a 2 multiple, 16 is a 2 multiple, but y it is not a 2 multiple. So I am taking, let to put y is equal to 2a I am taking. Why? Because 2 cancel 2 on both sides. So if y is equal to 2a, I keep what I am getting here, 8u minus 2n plus 2a is equal to 16 times 6. If 2 is cancelled on both sides, I am getting 4u minus n plus a is equal to 8x. That means this is a multiple of 8. Multiple of 8 means this when divided by 8 remainder is 0. That means this is nothing but in mod form 4u minus a plus A is congruent to 0 mod 8. So A can be written as, from this one, A can be written as n minus 4u mod 8. So here we will find the distinct values of A, N, U, and then we will put the S values, remaining values as S. Then I will find the number of possibilities here. And one more thing, y is equal to 2A means y is a digit. Y is also one of the digit. One of the digit means 0 to 9, lie between 0 to 9. Then A value should be only 0 to 4 only possible here. If it is 5, then I am getting y as a 2-digit number 10. But y is a digit means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. So that's why A should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A values are restricted here. So that's why that is the advantage for us here to find the values of this. I will keep only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only always. So that I will find the remaining possibilities for n and u. Okay. So the counting process here. Here on ours the counting process will start. Listen carefully. What I am doing is, this is for u. This is A, single n is there, but the u coefficient is 4 here. So that's why I am focusing on u here. So I want to find all the possibilities, all the possible numbers, all possible 5-digit numbers I want here. So I will keep u as 0, even numbers and odd numbers. So that I will verify the for all values of u. So how many if u is equal to 0, total number of possibilities, how many possibilities are there? If u is an even number, then how many possibilities are there? If u is odd, how many possibilities are there? I will count out. So the total sum is the required answer. So first case I am taking. So this is our final equation here. Based on this only, we will solve this question. So first case, if u equal to 0, I am taking. If u is equal to 0, u is equal to 0, u is equal to even, u is equal to odd. 3 cases I will do here to solve this question. If u is equal to 0, then A is congruent to n mod 8. In the given question, each distinct letter represents distinct digits. So that's why 0 is already over. So that's why A values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are possible. So 0 is already used here. So only 1, 2, 3, 4 only possible for A. So 1 means 1. 2, 2. Why? Because 1 is congruent to 1. Divided by 1, 8. Remainder is 1 only. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. Any other possibilities there or not, we have to check again. Why? Because here only 1, 2, 3, 4 values are used already. If it is 9 here, more than 8, if it is 9 also possible for n. So then here also 1 it is possible. Why? Because 9 when divided by 8, remainder is 1. So here 1 means 1. So 1 and 1 are equal. So that's why 1, 9 is also another possibility there. That's why always search for the, is there any other possibilities there or not? Check it. Then for after 4, 5 is possible, not possible here. 6, 7, 8, 9 not possible. So all right, these are the pairs here. N value is 1, A value is 1. N is equal to, A is equal to 2. N is equal to 3, A is equal to 3. N is equal to 4, A is equal to 4. N is equal to 9, A is equal to 1. Another possibility I got here. More than that one. So, but y is equal to what here? 8 to A. Y is equal to 2A. So, therefore, y comma n possibilities I am writing here. Y comma n ordered pairs. If it is 1 means y value is 2A. Therefore, 2 comma 1. This is 4. 4 comma 2. 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 comma 3. And here 8 comma 4. And 2 comma 9. These are the pairs. Y comma n ordered pairs are these 5 are possible here. And u is equal to 0. Already 3 letters I used. N already I know. N, y. These are the pairs. U already 0. So how many possibilities are there for S? How many possibilities are there for S? So S possibilities are Suppose if I take 2 comma 1 here, 2, 1, 0. 3 digits are over. 0 to 9 means 10 digits. Out of these 10 digits, I already used 3 digits. But S should not be 0. Already I used U as 0. So S cannot be 0 in the remaining term. So 7 possibilities are there here. Here also 7 possibilities are there. Here also 7 possibilities are there. If I take U is equal to 0, Yn has 2, 1. These 3 terms, S value has 7 possibilities. 0, 4, 2 if I take S has another 7 possibilities. 0 and 6, 3 I take S has 7 possibilities. 0 and 8, 4 I take S has 7 possibilities. 0, 2, 9 I take S has 7 possibilities. Therefore, total numbers possible here are, total numbers possible in this case are, how many numbers are there? 35 numbers are there. For each ordered pair, I have 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So total 35 numbers are possible in the first case. That means U is equal to 0 case. If U is equal to even, then I am taking the second case. U is equal to even. If U is even, already 0 is used here, so that's why I am taking only 2, 4, 6, 8 only. Why? Because U0 already I used here. So that's why other than 0, that is non-zero even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 only I am taking here. 2, 4, 6, 8. Then, see here. If U is equal to 2, then 4 2s are 8. 8 when divided by 8, remainder is 0. If it is 4, that means 4 4s are 16. 16 also divisible by 8, remainder is 0. So this term is vanishing here for our 2, 4, 6 or 8. So this term is vanishing means we are getting here A is congruent to N mod 8 again. In this case also. Here also I get the same. But we can't use these 2, 4, 6, 8 here in the pairs. We will see. First we will form all the pairs. Then we will see which term we have to eliminate there. Okay, first I will write all the pairs here. So A values. Here 0 is not used. Here 0 is used, that's why here I use 1, 2, 3, 4 only I written in place of A. But here A may have 0 also possible here. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. And if the 5 is possible here, no, 5 is not, here also 5 not possible, 6 not possible, 7 not possible, 8 not possible, 9. If I take it as 9 here, then I can write 1 as possible. So here 6 possibilities are there. 6 possibilities are there. What are the possible values of y comma n I am writing? See. Y comma n possibilities. Y is equal to 2a, so that means 0. Here 0, 0 not possible here. Why? Because 2 are same values we are using not possible. They are the distinct values here. Okay. So is there any other possibilities there here? 9, 9, 1, 1. Then 2, another possibility is there here. I want another possibility is. If it is 0, this is 8 is also possible here. 8 when divided by 8, remainder is 0. So that's a 0, 8 is also one possibility here. 0, 8 are distinct. So that's why y value is 0 and 8, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 2, 9. These are the possibilities. These are the 6 possibilities. So, total number of numbers I want. How many n are possible? Okay. If u is equal to 2 I taken, then total numbers I am counting. See the counting here. Total possible numbers in this case. See how I am counting. This counting is important. If u is equal to 2, I fixed u as 2. If u is equal to 2, then how many values are there here? If I taken this value, u is equal to 2 and 0, 8 are taken. Then how many possibilities are there for yes? Here already 0 is already used. So 3 digits are over, 7 possibilities are there here. So here this is 7 possibilities. If this is taken, 6 possibilities only. 0 cannot be used as x. So and 2 is also not useful, so I am omitting this one. These three are not possible here. Am I right? Why? Because u is 2 taken. If I taken this one, n is also y is also 2. So not possible. Distinct digits represent distinct letters represent distinct digits. So here 1, 2, 3, these three are not possible. So if I taken this one, I am getting the 7 possibilities for yes. If this is taken 6 possibilities only, if this is taken 6 possibilities only, total 7 plus 6 plus 6, 19 possibilities are there if I taken u is equal to 2. If u is equal to 4, if u is equal to 4 means these two are not possible here. Why? Because 4 is came. Here if I taken y value is 4, here n value is 4. So u value 4 taken means these two are not useful here. So if u is equal to 4 and this one taken, 7 possibilities there. Why? Because 0 is already used. So remaining 7 digits any one s can take. So 7 values and 6 values, 6 values and 6 values. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 7, 25 possibilities are there if u is equal to 4. If u is equal to 6, if u is equal to 6 means this is not possible here. Why? Because 6 is already there. This is not possible. So count the digits here. Here 0 is there. That's why 7 possibilities, 6 possibilities, 6, 6, 6. So 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 7, 31 possibilities are there. 31 different numbers are possible. And if u is equal to 8, u is equal to 8 means these two are not possible here. These two are not possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 0 is not there in any one of the coordinates. So that's why ordered pairs. So 4, 6 is 24. So what is the total number here? 19, 25, 31 and 24. 9, 10 and 19. 3, 3, 3, 99. So 99 numbers are there in this case. Similarly, I will consider the u is odd case. Third case is if u is odd. U is odd means u is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. U value is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So what is our equation? See this equation. If u is equal to 1, then I am getting n. 4 1s are 4 only. If u is equal to 3, 4 3s are 12. 12 when divided by remainder is 4. I am getting the 4 only here. If 5, 4 5s are 20. If u is equal to 5, 4 5s are 20. Again 4 4s are 16. 4 will be the remainder. So in all the cases, we are getting a is congruent to n minus 4 mod. N minus 4 mod. Here a and n minus 4 should be equal, leave the same remainder when divided by 8. So if 0 is taken here, 0 is taken in place of a, then n value should be 4 here. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then if 1 is taken, a value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I know. That's why I am focusing on a is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only first. So if it is 1, this is 5. If it is 2, this is 6. If it is 3, this is 7. If it is 4, this is 8. Then for other values, is it possible or not? If 9 is taken here, 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5 is not possible as a. And below 3, I taken 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 means minus 1, 7, not possible. 2 minus 4, not possible. Always. So these are the only 5 pairs possible here. Therefore, what are the pairs of y comma n pairs here? Again, y comma n pairs are 0 comma 8, 2 comma 5. Y is equal to 2a. That's why I am multiplying these by 2. So 4 comma 6, 6 comma 7, 8 comma 8. 8 comma 8 is not possible here. 8 comma 8 is not possible. Why? Because 2 are equal. So this is not useful here. Any possibility is there? Other possibilities? Another value is possible here. That is, if I taken this as 4, this as 0, 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 when divided by 8 is also 4. So these two are also equal here. So that means what is the another pair here means A is equal to 8 comma 0. These are the 5 pairs possible here. These are the 5 pairs possible here. So again, total number of possibles I am counting in the as usual in the previous question. Total numbers possible here. If u is equal to 1 is taken, 1 is not there here. So 0 means 7 possibilities are there. 7, 6, 6, 6, 7. That means 14 plus 18. 14 plus 18 is how much? 32. Plus. If u is equal to 3 is taken, 3 is also not there here. So 3 is also not there. So how many possibilities are there? 32 possibilities are there again. If u is equal to 5, that means this is not useful here. So 7, 6, 6, 7. That means 14 plus 12, 26 possibilities are there. If u is equal to 7, then this is not useful here. So again I will get the 26 possibilities. If u is equal to 9, again all are possible here. So 32 possibilities, 32 numbers are possible. So in total overall 32, 32, 32 is 96 and 26 and 26 is 52. That means total I am getting 148. Total how many numbers are possible means therefore required numbers possible. 5 digit numbers possible in overall numbers possible. Total answer I want here is this is 35, 99 and 148. If they are added 35, 99 and 148 they are added, then 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, 12, 16 and 18, 282 numbers in total overall. So our answer is 282 numbers are possible which are of the form Sunny, where each letter, distinct letter represent distinct number and also that is divisible by 16. This is the procedure here. So today this is the combinatorics question we did, and tomorrow we come up with a plane geometry question, good plane geometry question. So we have to focus on plane geometry part, number theory and combinatorics. These three are important tasks in Olympiad exams. Okay. So like and share and subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends and students, those who are interested in Olympiad mathematics. Okay. Bye. So learn this question and we come up with another beautiful question on tomorrow. Bye to all. Stay tuned to my channel. Bye for today.